Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys. How are you? I'm Sarwat Rani Khan. Says welcome in K.Z Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share a veg biryani in K.Z Kitchen. Veg biryani means vegetable biryani. There is a lot of types of veg biryanis. Inshallah ta'ala, we will make some of these or all. This biryani is an authentic Indian vegetarian recipe packed full of your favorite rice, veggies, and spices. But also, non veg persons like it and get curious to eat it because it is very healthy and tasty. Because we use pure basmati rice, fresh veggies, and some medicated and healthy spices in it. Okay, let's see. I have sliced some onion and I am frying it. Just I will get it light golden color, and here I am making adhan ka pani or boiling water for our biryani rice. I am taking some whole spices, bay leaves, one black cardamom, one mace flower, two green cardamom, some black pepper, cloves, and one slitted green chilli and some mint leaves. And also I have taken 6 to 7 tablespoon or teaspoon salt. Here our onions are ready. You can see, mashallah, how much crispy and not too much oily. Okay, keep it inside. I have decreased the amount or quantity of our oil. Here I have some cauliflower and some broccoli. And also I have some potatoes in cubes. Everything in cube. And I am adding in our oil. Here I have washed and fresh green peas, slitted 2 green chillies, some mint leaves, some lemon slices, and French beans or green beans, and also some cubed carrots. Also, I'm gonna add in this pot. Okay, now I'm adding 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. I'm directly add all of these veggies and spices in our cooking pot. Okay, here I am taking some coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and also some whole spices. You can check the ingredient list, or also you can check in description. I have added in it, and I am using 1 cup thick curd or yogurt. And also I'm adding our half fried onion. Okay, let's mix all of these very well. So these could make a or produce a beautiful aroma of our veg biryani. Now I will just leave these ingredients and veggies for 10 minutes only, and then we will cook it. Okay, let's leave these. In the meanwhile, we will check our rice water. Now I am gonna cook these veggies and spices on medium low heat. First I will cook this. Okay, keep mixing. Now I will add here some chopped or cubed tomatoes, 3 to 4 or as much you want. I have taken 3 to 4 and these are in cube. Also I will use some water or maximum half cup water after 2-3 minutes. When our tomatoes will be softened little bit, then we will add some water in it, so our veggies could cook 70% or 75%, and more we will cook these in dum or on resting, when we will give a great rest to our biryani. Okay, now these are ready and I am uh, keeping them on sides. Now here I have basmati rice. You can see these are washed and soaked. These are maximum 3 cups. Here are adhan ka pani or boiled water. Now I am dropping our all rice in it. Be careful, don't stir very fast. Okay, now I will cook these rice about 70% or 75% because these are basmati rice and we have little bit gravy in our veggies. That is must to have some gravy in our korma or veggies which we are preparing. Okay, keep checking the rice. Now it's time to drain our rice. Okay, you can use any other way like muslin cloth or drainer for draining your rice, boiling rice. Okay, now these are done. Okay, let's start layering. You can see I have kept them inside. Okay, now I am layering the rice. I won't layer 2 or 3 times. Just I will layer only one time because that is the safest way to layer your biryani. Okay, I have added all of my rice in it. Let's level these. Now I will sprinkle my garnishing in which I have some green chillies slitted or whole, some lemon slices, some mint leaves. Okay, also I will sprinkle half fried onion which we fried in starting. Okay, I am keeping all of these garnishing in one side because in its other side I will drizzle our food color or essences. Let's start our food color or essences. Here I have 2 tablespoon milk and some orange or yellow food color. Now I'm gonna add our kevra essence, few drops, and some lemon essence, few drops, and also I'm gonna add some saffron acid essence, few drops. Okay, if you have fresh saffron threads, so you can soak these in milk and then you can use it. I have added 1/4 or half cup its boiled water. Now I am pouring our made food color and essences. Okay, now I will cover the lid. I am gonna use a napkin with its lid. If you are willing, so you can use foil, aluminium foil or kitchen foil. Otherwise, you can also use any napkin with its lid. We will give it rest about 15 minutes. Now I am adding some 4 to 5 tablespoon cooking oil on the top. Okay. Um, Now it's time to give it rest. Let's see after 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, let's see how is our biryani is looking. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. MashaAllah. Mashallah, its fragrance is too much fascinating, too much delicious feel. Let's open our veg biryani. So, guys, our veg biryani, vegetable biryani is mashallah completely ready to serve or eat. So, guys, if you haven't liked, share, and subscribe to my channel, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell icon. You can see all of our veggies, all alhamdulillah, is still in its original shape. MashaAllah. Let's serve it. I'm gonna serve it with my tomato and coconut dip or chutney, which I have shared with you before this recipe. Okay, mashallah, it's too much delicious. I'm serving with some plain yogurt and our dip. I hope you are liking my all recipes. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting to my channel and keep sharing my recipes and please give me your sweet comments. How are you liking or how are you feeling about my recipes? Okay, viewers, now it's time to check our vegetable biryani. Let's taste. You can see its rice are mashallah totally separated and too much tender, mashallah. Okay, you can use veggies according to your favorites or according to season. Okay guys, okay friends, keep watching and keep enjoying with me this vegetable biryani. Okay, mashallah. Let's eat it with some veggies. Okay, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Inshallah Ta'ala, I will bring some more and more beautiful and tastiest recipes for you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.